Welcome in online teaching students. Today I am going to start a new chapter, the present tense, and in this video I am going to give you the answers for the exercises given in this chapter. Brain tracers. Exercise number A. Correct the following sentences and then rewrite them in the simple present tense. Number 1. Here is coming the captain. The answer will be here comes the captain. Second, I am loving to eat French fries. Answer, I love to eat French fries. Number 3. Whenever it is raining, the roof leaks. Whenever it rains, the roof leaks. Number 5. My big brother leaving school in November. Answer, my big brother leaves school in November. Number 5. How often are you washing your hair? Answer, how often do you wash your hair? Now exercise number B. Fill in the blanks with appropriate verb forms in the present perfect tense. Number 1. I finished the job. In the bracket given has, it will be have. I have finished the job. Number 2. Have you eaten your lunch? Eat, third form eaten, is used with perfect tense. Number 3. She has not yet. She has not returned yet. Number 4. I have never seen such a mess. Number 5. Has he brought his violin? Number 6. Have you ever been to Australia? Number 7. I have read all the plays of Shakespeare. Exercise number C. Put the verb in the correct form. Use present continuous tense. Number 1. I am having a great time here, but I really miss you. Number 2. Sonia and Abha are not speaking to each other. Number 3. I am trying to get a new job. Number 4. We can't go out now as it is raining heavily. Number 5. I am studying at Bal Bharti Public School. Number 6. What are you doing in Bareilly? Number 7. I am teaching at MDU nowadays. Exercise number D. Use present perfect continuous form of verbs to fill in the blanks. Number 1. The film has been running for quite some time now. Number 2. I have been waiting here for half an hour. Number 3. The baby has been crying for 15 minutes. Number 4. Swati has been talking on the phone for 2 hours. Number 5. He has been swimming for an hour. Number 6. The man has been waiting at the corner of the lane. Number 7. Mrs. Rose has been teaching English for 10 years. I have already taught you. That in present perfect continuous tense we are using has been with singulars and have been with plurals. Exercise. Rewrite the following passage using the simple present tense of the verbs given in the brackets. All baby birds come from eggs. Because birds is a plural, so we use come. While a baby bird is in the egg, it gets all the food it needs from the white and the golden portion in the egg. It is a singular, so we are using S with get and need. Besides food, the baby bird needs, because here we are talking about one particular bird. Warmth also. So the mother bird sits, because here also singular, over the eggs to keep them warm. Sometimes the father does this and sometimes both parents take turns. Here father is singular, so we have used es, does, and parents we use take as plural. When the baby bird is sufficiently grown up, it is a singular, so begins to move a little inside the egg. Each baby bird has, because each we are talking about singular, has a sharp spike on its bill as it pushes it here again singular against the walls of the eggs. The spike cracks, here also singular, spike, holes in it. Soon the egg begins to split. Begins, the egg is singular, to split open, and the little bird pushes its way out. Bird also here, little bird singular. So we have used es in push, pushes. Exercise number B. You do not like one of your classmates, Sujata, because she does not do certain things she ought to. Write 7 sentences about the things she does not do. Number 1, you can write of your own also. I am giving you answers here. If you wish, you can write yours. Number 1, Sujata does not attend school regularly. Number 2, she does not complete her work on time. Number 3, she does not hand in her assignments. Number 4, she does not pay attention during teaching. Number 5, she does not cooperate with her classmates. Number 6, she does not use polite words like please and thank you. Number 7, she does not say sorry when she makes a mistake. Next exercise number C, complete the following letters by filling in the correct forms of the verbs given in brackets. I have just received. Received will be in third form because we are using here perfect tense. I have just received your letter. I am very glad to know that you have topped the class. You have really made the proud. Have informed your father about your success. He sends you his congratulations and blessings. We pray for your general well-being. Do not skip your meals. How about Anita? You have not mentioned her in your letter for a long time. Do write back, Mom. Exercise number D. Complete the following dialogues using appropriate sentences in the present perfect continuous form. Question number A. What have you been doing? Again, next is, have you been reading the newspaper? Now in number B, you have to write down answer. I have been writing letters. Next, you have been writing a long letter. So these all are the exercises you have to write in your book. Thank you.